Welcome guys to the last Mini Smile Makeover course of 2019. The delegates are coming to completion of their last hands-on, which is basically a build-up of the peg lateral. So they're just doing the finishing and polishing part of that exercise. So I want you to watch this video and I'm going to share some of the tips that I've just shared with them. So we're starting the finishing and polishing protocol of today's hands-on. Just to give you guys a couple of tips. One of the main reasons why people get misshapen restorations, it's usually related to the line angles. And line angles are essentially where the reflective zone, which is the facial surface or the labial surface, meets the deflective zone, which is the interproximal surface. And where they meet is often described as the transitional line or transitional line angle. So here you can see I've used the pencil to mark out the existing position of the line angles. And I'm actually quite happy with the current position, so we're not going to adjust them too much. So what we then do is go through the sequence of discs and rubber points that are part of the flexi disc polishing system to get that final luster and polish that we're after. Main thing when it comes to finishing discs is you can't skip a disc. Just invest the time in each and every single one of the discs to get that final luster, which you will hopefully see. So it looks something like this. So I hope you enjoyed that tip. Next available dates are at the end of January 2020. Thank you.